How to make a collage on Instagram story. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can make a collage on Instagram story. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home, please navigate to top left corner and then tap on add your story. Now from your device you have to select the image that you want to add or create a collage. So once you have one of your pictures, you can resize with the help of this fingertip and then place it at one corner according to your choice. Now to add another image, again tap on the sticker icon at the top section and from here again select photo. Now you have to select a different photo that you want to add. Tap on it and you can have your preferred size and tap on done at the top right corner. Again, you can resize with the help of your fingertip and then you can design your collage according to your choice. And the similar way, you can add more pictures and create a collage of your choice. And once you're done, you can simply share this on your story. But in Instagram, there is another features that you can use. Again, head towards the add story, tap on this camera icon. In here now you have the layout option. You can select the various layout from here and then create the collage as well. You can go with the template. If you have 4 pictures, you can go with this. If you have 3, you can also go with this, and one by one keep on adding the images and then you will have this collage as well. So you can either create a collage according to your choice or you can simply use the templates from here. And in this way, you can make a collage on Instagram story. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.